everybody, it's Miss Katie again with word study. Yesterday in word study, you zoomed in on words and you studied the syllables or the beats. You studied the letters. You studied what sounds the letters were making. Today we're going to be doing that same kind of work, but with studying names. So today I want to teach you that when you study a name, it can teach you so much about how words work. But we're not just going to look at names. We're really going to study names. When we study names, we can notice the syllables, the letters, and notice what sounds the letters are making in a name. But before we get started, there's somebody that you need to meet. Last year, you had a stuffed friend in your class named Mabel, right? Well, in first grade, we also have a stuffed animal friend that helps us with word study. Are you ready to meet him? Drum roll, please. This is Rasheed. He's our lion, and he helps us a lot with word study. So you're going to be seeing Rasheed a lot in our word study lessons this year. You ready, Rasheed? We'll get started. And since we have Rasheed right here, I figured that we would start off with Rasheed's name. So let's try it. Okay. This is This is Rasheed's name over here. And we're going to study the name doing all of the steps on this chart. We're going to read it, clap the syllables, stomp and snap them. We're going to name the letters in his name. We're going to zoom in and study it closely. We're going to use the sounds in Rasheed to make other words. We're going to talk about the vowels in his name. Thumbs up if you remember learning about vowel power in kindergarten. And then we'll notice the blends and digraphs in the word. So first we're going to read his name, Rasheed. Then we're going to clap the syllables. Ready? Clap them with me. Rasheed. And we can stomp them with your legs. Rasheed. And snap them. Rasheed. Show me on your fingers, how many beats or syllables do you hear in Rasheed? There's 2 syllables. Now, let's name the letters in Rasheed. We have R-A-S-H-E-E-D, Rasheed. How many letters do you see in Rasheed? Yeah, there are 7 letters in Rasheed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters. Now let's zoom in and study the letters closely. You can pretend to put on binoculars to really zoom in on Rasheed. I'm noticing that there's 2 E's right next to each other in Rasheed that are working together as a vowel team to make the E sound. Now let's use the sounds in Rasheed to make other words. Rasheed starts with the sound. What other words start with the sound? Yeah. Then at the end of Rasheed, I hear the D sound. What words end with the D sound? What words end with the D sound? Okay, we use the sounds of the words. Now let's notice the vowels. In Rasheed, I see A, which is a vowel, and 2 E's. Except the A in Rasheed is making the sound. Rasheed, And the 2 E's in Rasheed are making the E sound. Now let's look at the blends and digraphs. In the middle of Rasheed, I see SH. And I know that SH makes the sh sound. They work together. It's a digraph that makes the sh sound in Rasheed. Readers and writers, did you see how we just studied Rasheed's name? We zoomed in close and learned so much about letters. Now you're going to be studying names of kids in your class. Off you go.